Nice pants. Nice pants. Nice pants. Those are nice pants.
Something on the right. Oh, the turtle.
Oh, I want to stop and get it. Come on, turtle. Look at this little guy. You're a good sized turtle, Mr. Guy. Hey, you. Come on. Don't hiss at me.
Did you pick it up?
Yes. There. I want you getting hit out here.
I just gonna be right back where it was when we come back.
I'll move it again.
Or smushed.
Better not be.
Alright, hi, hello, good morning YouTube. Today is our last day here in East Tennessee. We have to be out of the house that we're staying in by noon today, and that's about 3 hours away, so decided it is a good idea to get up a little early to make a dragon pass or two. So that is exactly what we're doing. Like I said in a previous video, we are heading out towards Nashville today, since neither one of us have ever been. So I guess with these last couple dragon passes, it's kind of ending our riding vacation here. Unless we ride it in Nashville, but I don't see us doing that. It is a beautiful, clear, and most importantly, dry Thursday morning. Perfect recipe for some perfect dragon passes.
Why are you way over there?
Why are you way over there?
I don't know.
Those guys make me so nervous going around a corner.
Like it's just gonna slide out.
Yeah. Take both of us out like fucking bowling pins. I'm gonna go ahead of them.
Okay, be careful, I love you.
Love you too.
Alright, boys and girls, I had to leave Kayla behind for this one just so I can get a pretty good pass through, because while I want her to go her own pace, I still got to get my own pace in too. Super technical road, man. I love this road. You just got to stay vigilant and not fuck off, because there are consequences. So homeboy just flashed me. There's a cop somewhere. I'm gonna slow down my time here. I'm not doing a time trial here, but you know, I'd like to get a good pass in. There's only been that one car that flashed his lights. Haven't seen anybody else tap their head or anything. Wanna know where this cop is? Oh, there he is. There's that good old boy. We're gonna take it nice and slow around this guy. They're thirsty today. Oh, this is one of my favorite corners too. Bummer. Man, what a nice guy. Just sees me in his mirror and he pulls off. Alright, boys and girls, this going back down the hill right now, this indefinitely will be the last Dragon Pass for me of 2018. Kind of a bummer, but I'm happy that I was able to come down and, you know, ride these roads once again, because like I've said dozens of times, man, it is a rider's paradise down here. If you call yourself a rider and haven't been down here, you need to fix that immediately, if not sooner. What a beautiful day this is too, man. I'm gonna miss the views, that's for sure. I don't know how Nashville is, or Western Tennessee. I don't know if the Appalachian Mountains stretch that far, but I sure am gonna miss the roads. I'm gonna miss the view. Try not to go too fast because I don't know where that cop is. I don't know if he actually left or if he's heading back this way. Guy at the gas pumps at the Gap said he was at the Overlook, or at least heading towards the Overlook, which is the direction in which I am heading. It's where we left Kayla. Scrape my toe around that corner again. Good thing for these toe sliders on these boots. It's not good though. If anybody wants to brag to you about scraping toe or their shoes or something, they're just proving to you how bad their body position is. So I guess here is me admitting that I guess I had bad body position around that corner. Either that or I just wasn't like leaning off the bike, you know, as much as I should be. I felt like I was. I felt like my freaking right ass cheek was completely off the left side of my bike. I mean, picture that, you know. I know it's kind of hard to tell from like first person how like sharp these turns are, because, you know, as a rider you have to look through the turn, so you really got to watch, I guess, the bike in the video, or unless, you know, unless I have like Kayla in it for comparison. This truck is kind of getting it. Not anymore though. This truck was kind of getting it. Pass and pull offs. Oh, I thought you were taking that one, buddy. Could have gone a little bit harder, but everybody was like, there. I know there's a cop going through here. All right, say bye-bye.
Ta-ta. Was it fun riding by yourself?
Oh, I guess so.
One more mile, babe.
Last mile of 2018. All right, that's it. That's it for 2018.
Are you sad?
Yeah.
Don't be sad. You'll be back.
Well, I hope everybody enjoyed our little Tennessee trip, our Tennessee footage, whether it be from myself, Dave, and Ryan, or myself and KP. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you have not already. As always, I want to thank you for watching. For KP, I am John.com.
Later.
And we'll see you in the next video. Later.
Nice meme.